Okay, so we've kept Max locked in a room for 2 weeks with just these books, and we've said that if he wants to eat again or see daylight, he needs to memorise them all. So, Max, this is it. This is for your freedom. Are you ready?
Henry.
Okay, I'm going to pull them out and you're going to tell me what they are. Remember, it has to be exact. Right, go.
Harvey.
Yeah. Next up, oh, this could be a tricky one.
You could be there forever. I'd pull them out if I
Okay, I'll help you, I'll help.
Harold. Stepney.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to pass them to you. It's okay, it's okay.
Duncan.
Okay, we'll give you that one.
The Handle. The Spencer. Thomas. Rhodey. Milty. Trevor.
Okay, so far so good. I'm not happy about this. This could be the long walk to freedom, couldn't it? Okay.
James. Bill and Ben.
Bill and Ben, they shouldn't be together, should
Abby
they?
and Ben.
What's going on here?
Mikey Mac. Davey.
James and Mom.
Oliver. Elizabeth. Peter Sam. Donald and Douglas. Toby.
It's pretty good so far. Looks like someone will be getting some food today.
Stafford. Gwangi. Philip Waddy. Edward. Charlie. Fergus.
This is the grumpy one.
Go on, Maxie.
David.
Oh, wheel up.
Caroline. Rusty.
Sheriff's badge.
Emily. Gordon. Hector. Boggy. Arthur. Murdoch. Percy. Southfield.
Right, well this is it. This is the final few. Do you think you're up to the challenge, Max? Yes? Yeah.
Louis. Lovell. Dennis.
And we'll go back to this one. I think you're right.
Lovell.
Yes, well done.
There you have that one.
Lovell.
Just have to get that verified.
Terence. George.
And this is it.
Naughty Drop.
Oh! Words, don't we? Oh.
troublesome.